we're doing this again. Hey guys, how's it going? So this honestly is quite nice for me. Like usually on my main channel, if I make a video, it kind of has a point. Like I need, or like what's the value to you guys? But this being a new channel, kind of, we've made, I said 30 videos yesterday on the main channel. It was actually 41 videos. So we're closing in on the 50, which is quite cool actually, now that I think of it. But there's one thing I just kind of wanted to address very quickly today. I don't want to ramble, so if I'm rambling, just comment, Ollie, you're rambling, and then maybe I'll stop. So, I've spent all of today configuring this up. Now, I've done maybe 100 videos plus on setups. That's not true. I've actually only done maybe... Okay, so 40 videos uploaded, maybe 10 of them are setup videos. And they're not setup videos in, what's my setup for 2020? No. These are just me talking about Shockbox and the setup. And in fact, I think not my last video, the video before was exactly that. So why am I sat here with a new set? It's because I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I'm used to having a successful channel, and it's really, really hard for me to start a new channel that has no relevance really at all to what I'm usually doing here on YouTube. Like, people know me for gaming, they don't know me for technology. Some of you do because you've been around here for quite some time and you watch the videos, but it's really hard for me kind of starting from scratch. And what happens is, and this is going to sound a bit of an excuse, but what happens is I come up with a set and I'm comparing, like, in gaming, it's very, like, everyone's very much on the same level. It's a very level playing field on YouTube. Everyone's got the same microphone, the Shure SM7B. Everyone's got the same capture card. Everyone's got the same Xbox or PC for the most part. So the only thing really is your ability to edit, your creativity, and just, your ideas and whether or not it's relevant. And you, obviously, you're the best part of your video if you're making videos. With technology channel, all those things are still relevant. You still need to create value. You still need to have a point to making a video. You still need to be unique and interesting. But the thing that's really, really difficult for me as someone who's used to having the best equipment is I'm comparing myself to people with hundreds of thousands of pounds, literally, of equipment, staff, overheads. And I sit there and I critique myself based on that content. And, I'm not going to say who it was, but it was really, really refreshing last week. I found someone who was making videos, tech videos. They had like less than 3,000 subscribers and they were making videos and like they seemed so happy, like just making videos. And they seem to they said things like, oh, I don't have the camera angles, I don't have the lighting. And you know what the weird thing is? No one seemed to care in the comment section. And it's like my point is, as someone who's used to producing the best they can all the time, without having the equipment or, okay, I've got some pretty cool equipment, but I don't have the equipment that the 1% has. And it's difficult for me to put out stuff that I know is not as good as it can be, if that makes sense. Like, I've spent literally hours today cable managing behind me, making sure everything's bubble. Like, this desk, if you measure it from at the bottom of the screen, is level each side, and that actually takes a lot because there's a distance between the camera, there's the rotation of the desk, there's me, there's the perfect headroom, there's the microphone that's just here, which you can see over there, hello, and like there's all these little things to line up. So I've got that sorted, but ideally I want an overhead camera. I want two identical cameras so the color science is the same and I don't have to fix it in post and things like that. There's so many little things that I want to fix. But my point is, it's really hard for me to put that out knowing there's people out there that have just like 1%. The 1% have like such better equipment. To go back to my original point, it was really, really refreshing to watch this small channel this guy who was really happy and just, you know, quite content with the stuff, and the videos were good. Like, I'm not sitting here trashing the videos; they were really, really good. And it made me realize, you know, if I was starting a channel and I was, you know, level 1, you know, I'd be happy with like what he was doing, you know, and stuff like that. And it was just really interesting to watch someone go through that journey. The problem I've got with this channel is I've already been through that journey, so I need to be a little bit more disciplined with just like, it's okay. We've only uploaded 50 videos. We don't even have 10,000 subscribers yet. It's okay. But like I said, I'm going to be working really hard on this channel for the rest of this year. I've got lots of cool stuff coming up. I've set it up right now where I am actually really happy with it. I'm not happy with the equipment. I would change the cameras instantly. They look pretty good, in fairness, but there's some things that I don't like. For one thing, I can't actually see what's going on this camera. I have no idea. There could be an error. The screen could just, like, I don't have a monitor for that camera. This one over here is not a cinema camera, so I can't film in C-Log, which is annoying because I like to color correct and I like to apply LUTs. I can't do that. I don't have an overhead camera right now because of the microphone setup, which is right here, which sounds good. There's so many little things, but I kind of need to just set it and forget it and just come back regular and enjoy spending time with you guys. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little bit of my thought process right now. It's a really strange issue to have. I have a big channel, so it's kind of weird to like start again. But like I said, this small channel that I was watching with this really humble person really just made me realize, like, the issue, like, it's my issue. Like, there's nothing wrong with the videos I'm making. So it's kind of weird. You guys already knew this. I just wanted to make a video because I wanted to make a video. So yeah, I'm chatting. It's completely irrelevant to technology today. But let me know what you think of the setup. I actually really think it's quite cool. But yeah, I'll set it, forget it. And stay tuned for some awesome content that's coming soon, because I am excited for the content. It's going to be sweet. Anyway, all right.